So this is actually yesterday's part, even though it said it's ish tahor, it's type of a limbo state, meaning someone went to the mikveh, but it's not nighttime yet. He's only halfway sort of pure, and so the Rambam brings down, it's in Chazal, that as long Tvul Yom was good enough to be tahor when it says each tahor l'kadosh lazas v'efer, whether it's to sanctify, to sprinkle the ashes. Even though the nighttime didn't come, who are tar l'maiser sheni, that Tvul Yom ideas without any tradition. Loving way, just like there's a story from the Tosefta, we don't have time, we could talk about it later. We should all be zeichet to good things. It's a good shbarach l'zakis leficha chibul in terms of shnem. I want to say Kaddish.